Welcome to Wi-Fi Money Vault, where we unravel the secrets of earning online, offering you a map to navigate the vast opportunities the digital world presents. Today, we're diving into the phenomenon that's revolutionizing online income, TikTok's creativity program powered by AI. Imagine making over $10,000 in your first month, all from the comfort of your own home. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This opportunity is currently limited to specific countries like the US, UK, and France. But fear not, because we've discovered a way to bypass these restrictions and tap into TikTok's goldmine from anywhere in the world. 1. Accessing TikTok's creativity program is the gateway to unlocking the platform's potential for earning big. Imagine this: you've been creating captivating content on TikTok, but you're missing out on the opportunity to monetize it simply because your account isn't US-based. That's where our solution comes in. By following our provided link and setting up your account with precision, you can bypass location restrictions and gain access to TikTok's lucrative creativity program from anywhere in the world. Let's dive into a real-life example to illustrate the importance of this step. Meet Sarah, an aspiring content creator from Brazil. Despite her talent and creativity, Sarah's TikTok videos weren't translating into income because she lacked access to the creativity program. Frustrated, she stumbled upon our video and followed our guidance to set up her US-based account. Within weeks, Sarah saw her earnings soar as she tapped into the program's potential. Remember, credibility is crucial in this process. By following our instructions meticulously, you can ensure your account flies under the algorithm's radar and sets you on the path to financial success on TikTok. So don't hesitate. Take the first step today and secure your ticket to TikTok's goldmine with confidence. 2. Choosing your profitable niche. Selecting the right niche is paramount to success on TikTok. We'll reveal 6 niches that are bringing in over $115,000 monthly, with videos gaining millions of views. But beware of false promises. TikTok's creativity program demands original content. Our niche formula emphasizes broad yet specific appeal, easy production with high perceived value, and sticking with proven concepts. It's all about maximizing your RPM and scalability, paving the way for substantial earnings. Here are 6 profitable niches you can choose from. 1. Beauty and fashion. This niche is not only popular, but also highly profitable. According to a report by Influencer Marketing Hub, beauty and fashion influencers on TikTok can earn between $200 to $20,000 per sponsored post, depending on their follower count and engagement rates. With makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and style inspiration videos consistently attracting millions of views, it's no wonder that beauty and fashion content remains a top choice for creators. 2. Fitness and wellness. This health-based niche on TikTok has seen significant growth, reflecting the global focus on health and wellness. For example, one viral trend that has gained significant traction on TikTok is the 12-3-30 workout. This workout routine involves walking on a treadmill at an incline of 12 at a speed of 3 miles per hour for 30 minutes. This simple yet effective workout gained widespread attention after being shared by TikToker influencer Lauren Giraldo back in 2020. Since then, it has become a phenomenon on the platform and has even spread across the internet. The 12-3-30 workout's popularity has soared, leading to a remarkable 140% increase in search volume since 2022. This surge in interest is a testament to the effectiveness and appeal of the workout, as well as the power of TikTok as a platform for sharing fitness tips and trends. 3. Gaming and esports. Niche content has a dedicated and passionate fan base on TikTok, making it a lucrative niche for creators. In 2023, gaming content on TikTok amassed more than 3.8 trillion views, solidifying the platform as a hub where varied audiences converge to share fresh narratives, explore novel games, and shape emerging cultural phenomena within a unified community. 4. DIY and crafts niche content is incredibly popular on TikTok, appealing to viewers looking for creative inspiration and project ideas. According to TikTok's own data, DIY and crafting videos received over 55 billion views in 2023, Creators in this niche share step-by-step tutorials for crafting projects, home decor hacks, and upcycling tips, attracting audiences interested in hands-on creativity. Sponsored partnerships with craft brands and affiliate marketing opportunities are common in this niche. 5. Food and cooking. Food-related content consistently ranks among the most viewed and shared videos on TikTok. According to a report by Statista, the #food hashtag has been used in over 268 billion views on TikTok as of 2022. Creators in the food and cooking niche can monetize their content through brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and collaborations with food-related businesses, leveraging the platform's immense reach and engagement. Next, travel and adventure. Travel and adventure content resonates with TikTok users seeking inspiration for their next journey or virtual escapism. According to TikTok's own data, travel-related content received over 81 billion views in 2023. Creators share travel tips, destination guides, and breathtaking travel footage, engaging audiences with wanderlust-inducing content. This niche offers opportunities for sponsored travel partnerships, affiliate marketing with travel brands, and content licensing deals. Now, before we proceed further, if you're finding value in this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Wi-Fi Money Vault for more insider tips on online earning opportunities. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you the latest strategies and tactics for success in the digital realm. 3. Crafting viral content with AI involves several steps to ensure maximum engagement and appeal to your audience. Here's a breakdown of the process. 1. Utilize AI tools. Begin by harnessing the power of AI tools like ChatGPT and 11 Labs to generate compelling stories and lifelike voiceovers. These tools can help you create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them hooked from start to finish. 2. Generate compelling stories. Use ChatGPT to generate intriguing story prompts tailored to your niche or audience preferences. Whether it's a thrilling mystery, heartwarming anecdote, or humorous skit, aim to evoke emotion and captivate viewers' attention. 3. Create lifelike voiceovers. Once you have your story, head over to 11 Labs to generate lifelike voiceovers that bring your narrative to life. Choose a voice that suits the tone of your content and delivers your story with authenticity and emotion. 4. Select captivating visuals. Pair your compelling narrative with captivating visuals to enhance the viewer's experience. Consider using gameplay footage from popular games like Minecraft Parkour or GTA 5 to add visual interest and excitement to your video. 5. Choose background music. Select background music that complements the mood and theme of your content. The right music can evoke emotion, build suspense, or enhance the storytelling elements of your video, keeping viewers engaged from start to finish. 6. Edit with precision. Use a video editing software like CapCut to meticulously edit your content, ensuring seamless transitions, crisp visuals, and polished final touches. Pay attention to details such as timing, pacing, and visual effects to create a cohesive and captivating viewing experience. By following these steps and leveraging the power of AI, you can craft viral TikTok content that stands out from the crowd and captures the attention of your audience. With compelling storytelling, lifelike voiceovers, captivating visuals, and meticulous editing, you'll have a masterpiece ready to go viral on TikTok. And lastly, optimizing for maximum views. To truly tap into TikTok's potential for earning big, it's crucial to optimize your videos for maximum visibility. Start by sticking to a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and signal to the algorithm that you're a reliable creator. Be strategic with your content endings, incorporating unexpected twists or calls to action that prompt viewer engagement and interaction. Additionally, take advantage of TikTok's creator feature by creating a series of videos around a specific theme or topic. This signals to the algorithm that your content is part of a cohesive series, increasing its chances of being promoted to a wider audience. By paying attention to these details and optimizing your videos for virality, you can unlock TikTok's goldmine of opportunities and increase your chances of success on the platform. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to unlocking the secrets of YouTube success. From strategic publishing to fostering community engagement, these 10 tips are your blueprint for dominating the digital realm. Remember, consistency, creativity, and community are the cornerstones of channel growth. So, go forth, implement these strategies, and watch your channel soar to new heights. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and keep unlocking the Wi-Fi Money Vault.